The following segment is sponsored by Nick Knightley with Knightley Insurance Group, an affiliate of Senior Health Services.
This is Around the Bend, a spotlight on economic strength and growth here in the Coastal Bend.
Every year, Medicare undergoes changes impacting coverage, prescription cost, and doctor access. Our next guest helps thousands of seniors choose the right Medicare plans for their specific healthcare needs. Joining us with details is Nick Knightley, CEO of Knightley Insurance Group, an affiliate of Senior Health Services. And Nick, let me just start with your grandparents are so lucky to have you.
Absolutely, yeah.
Because every time someone is eligible for Medicare, they realize that, okay, wait, this is much more confusing than I thought it was going to be, and someone needs to walk them through it. So tell us what Knightley Insurance Group does.
Yeah, it's a little bit more complicated than people initially think. It's kind of a pain because, as you can imagine, you're dealing with Social Security, the government. They're not very efficient at everything. So yeah, we help people get enrolled in Medicare. We go through all the different options because there's a lot of them. And they all kind of look similar, so it is very confusing on which one's going to be good for your specific needs. And we just comb through all of them. We check your doctors, check your prescriptions, and it's all free service.
Yeah, and a lot of people are confused by when they can get into Medicare. Like they'll think, okay, well, doesn't that happen through October to December? But wait a minute, I turned 65 like in April, so what do I do? Or I turned 65 in June, what do I do? So explain that process for us and why it's good to be ahead of it.
Yeah, a lot of people think that they can only sign up during open enrollment. That's not true. You know, if you're turning 65, they give you 3 months before your birthday to help figure this stuff out because it's not quick. I mean, it takes a bit to kind of mill through everything. So it does take a while to kind of go through all that stuff.
So what would you suggest? How many months ahead of your 65th birthday would you suggest people do?
4 months ahead is a pretty solid amount of time. That way you're not rushing, you're not panicking. We have all the time in the world to go through all the options, and you're not going to be rushed into making a decision. We can find the right plan for you, and it'll all be done correctly. We'll white glove you through the entire thing.
Yeah, and then with open enrollment, the options you talk about, have your prescriptions changed? Has your health changed? That's when you look at those types of things.
Yeah, because it changes year to year. So what was happening last year may be completely different this year. The prescriptions change, the doctors change, the plans change. So it's constantly changing. So that's kind of where we come in to help you review the plan. To make sure you're always in the best thing for whatever it is you need.
Yeah, and people will ask, well, how much does this cost?
Nothing. Free of service. Never.
Free of service.
Yeah. We'll never ask a dime. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. All right, that's priceless, actually. All right, to learn more about Knightley Insurance Group, visit them online at KnightleyInsuranceGroup.com, or you can also give them a call at this number, 1-800-782-0059. Again, 1-800-782-0059. Don't try to figure this out yourself. Let them do it for you for free.